Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing another Halloween craft and another mummy themed Halloween craft. I'm going to be using some crate bandages from Poundland. Here's the crate bandages. You get 3 in the pack. And you get a 3 meter by 6 centimeter, a 3 meter by 8 centimeter and a 3 meter by 7 centimeter. Now I have cut up the 6 centimeter by 3 meter in half, put it in a bag, and then I've spray painted it with my Tim Holtz Distress ink. I'm also going to be using this 2-pack of skeletons. Now one thing I will say, the quality of the items from Poundland from their Halloween things seems to have really dived this year. I've got some DIYs coming up, and I'm using, in one of the DIYs I'm using last year's variant, and I have this year's variant to show you the comparison. And I was actually quite shocked to see how poorly constructed the new ones are compared to the older ones. They seem to have reduced the quality of their items. Anywho, oh look at this, some of it is still wet. Let me clean this up, craft. So we've got our skeleton here, and I'm going to turn him into a mummy. I want to do his arms loose, but I want to have his body kind of wrapped all in one. So I'm going to start at his pelvis. I've got some hot glue going. I'm going to add some hot glue to his pelvis, and I'm going to put the crate bandages in. And I'm going to go around. Let's move this one out of the way. Come on, out of the way, you. And I'm going to cover his legs using this crate bandage. Make sure his feet and things are facing the right way. Don't worry if it frays and gets caught on things, it just ages it and makes it look more rustic, so I'm not worried. Again, making sure that his legs are facing the right way. And making sure that I overlap on the previous turn. And then I want to cover his feet. Okay, let's put a bit of double glue on the bottom there. So that's his bottom half covered, and I think I'm going to cut this one in half again and use it on his arms. I'm going to use this on his arms. I'm going to probably go from the shoulder here. In the comments, crafters, if you decorate for Halloween, or if you don't decorate for Halloween, do you just decorate for autumn? It's nice to get to know you, and I've got a lot of new subscribers, and I'm very blessed by that, so thank you all so much. Now let's do his torso. just cut off some more of the crepe bandage, and I just have this plastic bag and I just spray some of the distress ink and then give it a good old squish, and that distresses it enough for me to use. Now, do I want him to have eyes? I think I'm just going to cover him up. May not have cut off enough, but we'll soon see, crafters. Again, making sure that you're using some sort of protective something for your hands, because obviously this can be quite painful if you burn yourself, because obviously the crepe bandages are very thin and you're using it on a flimsy piece of plastic skeleton, so you have to be very, very careful. I wouldn't want anybody to damage themselves. Arm just popped up there when I tried to move it, so I'm just going to glue it together. I'm going to glue that onto his chest. And this one I think I'm going to glue onto his leg. Just so these arms and hands aren't, you know, flapping around everywhere. Don't worry about these things because it just makes it look aged and old. And there we have our mummied skeleton. So there we go, crafters. He's all mummified now, so he's all set for Halloween. Now I understand that not everyone celebrates Halloween, but for those of you that do, I do like to bring a few Halloween tutorials for you. But there we go. This cost me, so I got a pack of 2, so that was £1 for 2 and £1 for the bandages. And I'm probably going to use most of the bandages and both of those, so £2. This is already in my stash, but if you don't have this, you could use coffee, or you could use the shoe polish that's sold in Poundland. I use the shoe polish in the video of the candles, so I'll link that, so it pops out now so you can see that video. But there we go, he's all done. I'll just turn him around so you can see. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.